This is lesson 1.6, mean, median, mode, and range. So here are some key terms, mean, median, mode, and range. Just copy down what's in green. And it'd be really good to put this at the beginning of your notebook so you remember it. The mean is the average. The median is the middle. The mode is the most frequent. And the range is the difference between the lowest and highest value. All right, find the mean, median, mode, and range of the following numbers. So take a minute, find these, and then we will compare our answers. Okay, so for mean, you have to add them all up. So you would do 10 plus 12 plus 8, 5, 6, 4, 3, 10, 11, 6, 7, 4, 5, 5. And I got 96. And then I would divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Divide by 14, and you get 6.9. You want to round to the tenths place, 6.9. The median, I need to rewrite them. So I'm going to rewrite them starting here. So I'm going to start at 3, 4, another 4, 3 5s, 6, another 6, 7, 8, 2 10s, an 11, and a 12. I have 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Always double check. Then you're going to find the middle, however you like to do it. I use my fingers. And the middle is 6, so that is the median. The mode is the one that occurs the most, which is 5. And the range would be 12 minus 3, which is 9. So if you had these numbers and you wanted it to look like it was a large number, you'd use the range. If you wanted it to look like it was small, you'd use the mode. All right, let's say you earned an 82% on your Unit 1 exam and 57% on your Unit 2 exam. What is your average unit exam score so far? Number 2, since you do not have credit, you now want to figure out what the minimum score you need to earn in order to average an 70% on all 3 exams. Use the formula for mean to determine your answer. So, what is your average unit exam score so far? You'd add the 2 together and divide by 2. So 82 plus 57 equals 139. And then I divide by 2, which is 69.5%. So a 69.5%, you don't get credit. You have to have an average of 70. So since you do not have credit, you want to figure out what the minimum score you need to earn is a 70. Okay? So what do I have to get on my 3 exams? Because you have 3 exams total. So you've already gotten an 82 and a 57. 82 and a 57. Okay? And you don't know what you're going to get on this 3rd one, but you want it to equal 70%. So you would add these all up, 82 plus 57 plus x, and I would divide by 3, and I want it to equal 70. So try this problem. Try and see if you can come up with the answer. Okay, so what I would do is add 82 and 57, which is 139, plus x divided by 3 equals 70. Then I want to get rid of this 3. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of that in my denominator, if you remember that from last year. Those cancel out. I have 139 plus x equals 210. And then I subtract 139 from both sides. So 210 minus 139 is 71. X equals 71. So I have to get in at least a 71%, and then I take an average of all three of my unit exams, and I would get a 70. All right, stem and leaf plots. This hopefully is a review. Picking 10 staff members at random. Their ages are 38, 32, 27, 40, 41, 52, 44, 62, 34, and 36. Make a stem and leaf plot. So try this, and then I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so stem and leaf plot, I'm going to start with my smallest number, which is 27. 20 is the stem, and 7 is the leaf. Now I don't need that one. Now I need my 30s, and I want to put them in order. So I have my stem of 30, and then I have a 32, I have a 34, I have a 36, and a 38. And then my next stem is 40, and I'm going to put them in order. So I have a 40, well, that's my 0, a 41, and a 44. And then I have a 52 and a 62. So there is my stem and leaf plot. It's kind of just a little bit more organized than a bunch of random numbers. All right, that's it for your notes.